Wheel down. That's terrible. Oh, my bad, my bad. We're out. We're in the streets. I think I'm still gonna have some trouble keeping up. I'm so excited. A little nervous. Let's hit the streets. This is possibly never done before. All right, gentlemen, how we feeling?
A little nervous.
Me too. Oh, I totally forgot where the brakes were. It's been a minute since I drove this. Shit. Wheel down. That's terrible. Oh, my bad, my bad. Undercover cop.
Right in front of the fucking car.
You got any tools on you?
No, I don't.
We're back out. This is already quite eventful. Dude, this is so funny. We are downtown LA right now. Downtown.